Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I am working on this awesome transfer, Ice Skates. I think it's called Ice Skates Rental. And what we're going to do, we're going to use bright white, silver shimmer, and for the skates, I'm going to make our en vogue color of seafoam, which just means is a seasonal color. But it's one of my favorites, so I'm hoping they'll keep it on. Anyway, let's get started. Now the container or the plastic it comes in, I'm saving this because these transfers are reusable and it's great to store it. So you're going to want to take it and mark the back so you get the right sides together. It's sticky side of this transfer to the glossy side of the backing. Now I'm going to put the ice skates along with the banner in the bright white chalk paste. Use your squeegee it on, take off excess, and then I just picked up part of it. I didn't want it to dry, the chalk paste to dry on the transfer. I want it to dry on the surface. And I'm doing the banner now, and I'm going to do the same thing where I pull that up and then just lightly set it back. Seal the skates and the greenery before you chalk on it. Now when I did the seafoam, I went a little chalk crazy and I chalked onto some of the blade of the skate. So when I took this off, I cleaned off that with a wet rag. Now while I'm waiting for everything to dry, this is a repurposed frame. I loved it. So I took off the glass and put a chalk board on it. My husband cut it to fit. But I took gold shimmer paste and with a foam brush lightly just chalked on the top part of the frame, the part that stuck up. It gave it a really kind of antique feeling. I liked it. I thought it was pretty cool. All right, now I'm on the greenery and the blades, and I'm using the shimmer paste. And this by itself is really pretty. So if you'd like to just stop there, that's fine. It looks great. But I want to add a little bit of glitter to it. So after I take this, get it all pasted on, and take the transfer off, I'm going to put some silver glitter. Just wait, and you tell me which you think you like the best. I know glitter is messy. See, that looks good. So if you want to stop there, you can. But I put glitter on, and I'm really glad I did. I put it on while it's still wet, and patted it lightly, and then shook off the excess. There it is. It's kind of a wowzer effect, right? I love it. I don't know. What do you think? Which way? Glitter or no glitter? And if you'd like to check this out further, just go to my website, couture.com/Cherie Criswell. This was fun.